Hello, my name is Robbie, and I'm a product specialist at Climbing Steps. In this video, we'll be going over how to use the HelpUp inflatable floor lift. When you're ready to use the HelpUp, retrieve it from the included portable bag and place it next to the fallen person. Begin by unrolling the HelpUp and positioning it next to the person, with the caution logo pointed the same direction as the person's head. Then position the closest edge near the sit here circle and tuck it up against the person. This allows the person to scoot or roll onto the center of the inflatable lift. Help the person orient their body along the center line of the HelpUp. The person's head, buttock, and feet should all align with the indicator markings located on the HelpUp. Once the person is positioned on the HelpUp, they must be seated with feet apart, knees bent, and holding the secure handholds located on the HelpUp. Once seated and positioned correctly, check with the person to ensure they are ready for the lift to begin. Rebecca, are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Excellent. To start the lift, note the location of the inflation valves on the side of the HelpUp. Insert the Airlift pump into the valve labeled number 1, ensuring it is securely inserted into the lift. Then turn on the pump and inflate the HelpUp just until the wrinkles are out, similar to inflating an air mattress. The first stage quickly lifts a person to a comfortable, secure sitting up in bed position. Once the first section is filled, turn off the pump before quickly removing the nozzle from the valve and closing it. To continue lifting, locate the second valve labeled number 2 and insert the nozzle of the inflation hose snugly into the inflation valve. With a steady hand on the caregiver handhold, start the pump and inflate. Once the second section is filled, remove the pump and quickly close the valve. For the last stage, locate either the head end valve or the foot end valve labeled number 3 and insert the nozzle of the inflation hose snugly into the inflation valve of your choice. Turn on the pump and inflate. The caregiver may use whichever valve feels more comfortable to them while assisting the user. Once the third section is filled, remove the pump and quickly close the valve. We recommend checking with the fallen person through every step of the inflation process to make sure that they're still stable and comfortable. How are you doing, Rebecca?
I feel safe and comfortable. Thank you. Thanks for checking.
Great. Once the HelpUp is fully inflated and the person's feet should be firmly on the floor, they should be in a near standing but seated position. Once ready, the person can then lean forward to stand up on their own using the steady standing aid. To use the steady standing aid, the caregiver should hold it in the front of the seated person, who can then grab it and use it to help them restore themselves to a standing position. Let's grab onto that. We'll lift up. Perfect.
Thank you.
Once the person has been lifted, you can then store the HelpUp. Simply pull the valves open, allowing the air to escape on its own, or for a faster process, connect the air pump to the valve and switch the mode to deflating. After fully deflated, we're ready to fold the HelpUp and place it back into its bag. And there you have it. In just minutes, the HelpUp can inflate and quickly raise an individual back to a standing position. This is an innovative and efficient product that can be an immense help in situations where someone has fallen and needs assistance getting up. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the HelpUp or are simply looking to find out more about our products, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.